not normal to go 3,000 kilometers and you come. Today is Friday. We come Wednesday night, Thursday morning.
Okay.
Thursday morning and Saturday game. This is not professional. This is not good. Because sure is the rules. I understand the rules of the federation, but it's not good for the football. Go 3,000 kilometers, come back 3,000 kilometers, or I don't know exactly, and you play. You are sure we have the responsibility in front of our management, in front of our president. No, sometimes they understand, sometimes they don't understand. It's very difficult. If you have the player, we are now in the not good mood, not good position, because our morale is not very good. Practically, it's a bit difficult, but theoretically we have chance. The problem is, now I told also in last game with Lajong. In this moment we are not in the things is not in our hand.
Yeah.
It depends of the other results.